Back in Thompson Station, 30 miles south of Nashville here in Williamson County. Final week of the high school football regular season here in Tennessee. Ravenwood leading Independence 23-0 at halftime on Dr. Pepper My TV 30 Friday Night Rivals presented by Wendy's. I'm Max Sir. It's time to take a look at our weekly look to the road to the Blue Cross Bowl, brought to you by Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Tennessee. The postseason starts next week. We are closer to the Blue Cross Bowl than ever. A ton on the line in Region 6-6A tonight. Both of our teams here had a chance to win the region. Let's take a look at their prospects of doing that as we move through the region. Look at Region 6-6A. 3 teams tied at 3-1 in region play. Independence controls its own destiny. If they win the region. They're down 23-0 at half. Ravenwood needs a win and a Brentwood loss against Centennial to win the region. Either way, whatever team wins the region, wins this game tonight, will be home in the first round of the playoffs. The team that loses will be third place and go on the road next week to start the postseason. We also got a battle for fourth place, the fourth and final playoff spot in the region between Centennial and Franklin. Franklin needs a win over Dixon County and a Centennial loss to Brentwood to get into the postseason. And let's see what the other teams in this region are up to. We got an upset brewing. Brentwood down 14-13 against Centennial in the third quarter. That is very good news for Ravenwood fans. They need a win here and a Brentwood loss in order to make the postseason. Franklin, as expected, all over winless Dixon County, leading 24-0. The Rebels need a win and a Brentwood win over Centennial to get into the postseason. Take a look at the region that this region is paired with. Region 5-6A, the 4 playoff teams are known. They will be playing the 4 playoff teams for Region 6-6A. Cane Ridge has already clinched first place, going for a perfect season tonight, leading 21-20 at Ray County in a non-region game. Smyrna and McGavick playing right now. Smyrna ahead 17-6. If they win that game, Smyrna, they will be the number 2 seed out of Region 5-6A, which means they will play the number 3 seed in Region 6-6A. All you need to know about those numbers and letters is that if Smyrna wins, which they're doing right now, they will play the loser of this game between Independence and Ravenwood at home to start the playoffs next week. A lot going on in Williamson County. Some great football teams. Both coaches said this week, in this region, in this county, you can throw out the records. Right now, we are proving that to be true. That's our road to the Blue Cross Bowl. Playoffs start next week. We will have a great mid-state game for you announced early in the week, Friday night on Friday Night Rivals. Here's Jonathan and Coach Mack for some highlights from this one.